Hi, this is our first screencast for the Mishna on Brachot, Beis Amid Aleph. We're going to be working on the Mishnah. Let's begin. So, our Mishnah begins with the following question. Me'ematai, korin et shma be'aravin. Let's take that one word at a time. Me'ematai. Me'ematai from the word matai. Matai means when. So me'ematai means from when. From when what? Korin et shma be'arvin. Korin, like kore, to read. Et shma, the shma, be'arvin. What word do you see in arvin? The word erev. Ayin resh beis. Be'arvin means at nighttime. So the Mishnah wants to know, from when do we begin saying the Shema at nighttime? We have an obligation to say Shema at night. That is our question. We're going to see three answers. Answer number one, right over here. Answer number one. Misha'a, sha'a. Sha'a means time. Misha'a, from the time, sheha kohanim, that the kohanim, nichnasim. Nichnas means to enter. Let's write that down. Nichnas. Nichnas means enter. Misha shekohanim nichnasim le'echol. Le'echol, achal, to eat. Bitrumatan, to eat their truma. Truma is the crop, the gift that a Yisrael gives to a Kohen, that the Kohen must only eat when he is pure and not tamei, impure. Ad sof ha'ashmura harishona. Ad, until. Sof, sof is the end. End of what? Ha'ashmura. Now ashmura sounds like a big word. What's the shoresh of ashmura? Shamar, like shmura. Shmura matzah. What does ashmura mean? It means to watch or guard. Ashmura means to watch or guard. Harishona, which guarding, which watching? Rishon, the first one. There are 3 parts of the night, and for each part of the night, different Kohanim took turns, took shifts in watching over the Beit HaMikdash. Divrei, like the thing or the words of Rav Eliezer. This is the opinion of Rav Eliezer. So let's go over what we just said. The first opinion of Me'ematai, from when, Korin, do we read, Et Shma, the Shma, Be'arvin, at night. When do we read the Shema at night? Misha'a, from the time, Sheha Kohanim, that the Kohanim, Nichnasim, they enter. From the times that the Kohanim enter, Le'achol, to eat, Bitrumatan. The earliest time to say Shema is the time that the Kohanim, who were impure, can enter the Beit HaMikdash at night to eat their truma, to eat their special food that was donated to them. That is the time that they could eat it. Until when can they say the Shema? At sof ha'ashmura harishona. Until the end, sof, the end, ha'ashmura, of the first watch, of the first guard of the Beit HaMikdash, the first of 3 watches. Divrei Rabbi Lazar. These are the words of Rab Eliezer. Let's get this opinion down. So, opinion 1 of Rav Eliezer is that when do we recite the Shema at night? Me'ematai korin et Shema be'aravin, at night, be'erev. Rav Eliezer says we recite the Shema from the time that the Kohanim become pure and enter the Beit HaMikdash to eat the Truma until the end of the first watch. Ad sof, the end, Hashmura Harishona, the first watch. That is the first opinion of the Mishnah to answer our question. Let us see the second opinion. The second opinion reads as follows, over here. Opinion number 2. V'chachamim, and the sages, omrim, say. The sages say, ad chatzot, until when? Ad, until chatzot, until what we'll call midnight. The sages say that you can read the Shema not just until the end of the first watch of the Kohanim, not just until Sof Ha'ashmura Harishona, but ad chatzot, until midnight. So far we have two opinions in terms of answering our question. From when do we recite the Kriyat Shema in the Erev? From when do we recite the Kriyat Shema at night? Opinion number 1 of Rabbi Eliezer, that we recite the Shema from the time that the Kohanim become pure and enter the Beit HaMikdash to eat the Truma until the end of the first watch. That's opinion number 1. Opinion number 2 of the Chachamim, of the sages, seems to agree with Rabbi Eliezer when we can start saying the Shema, when the Kohanim enter to eat the Truma, but they say you could say it later. You can say the Shema until Chatzot, until midnight. Let us now see our third and final opinion. Our third opinion is that of Rav Gamliel, over here. Our third and final opinion. Rabban Gamliel Omer. Rabban Gamliel says, ad, until, we've had that word already a few times, sheya'aleh. What does sheya'aleh mean? From the word Allah, like aliyah. Ya'aleh means rise. Ya'aleh means rise. Rise of what? Ad sheya'aleh amud hashachar. Shachar, like shacharit. Amud hashachar means daybreak or dawn. So, says Rabban Gamliel, you could say the Shema of the nighttime until the rise of dawn, until daybreak. So we now have all our three opinions, focusing on the question of our Mishnah, me'ematai, from when, korin, kore, to read, et shema be'aravin, the Shema of Erev, of nighttime. We have our three answers, that of Rabbi Eliezer, that of the Chachamim, and the one that we just did of Rav Gamliel, who says that we can say the Shema of nighttime all the way up until dawn. Ad sheya'aleh, amud hashachar, until dawn. Let's now see a little story that relates to this Mishnah. The story begins right over here by the word ma'aseh. Ma'aseh means an occurrence, a happening, something was done. So let's read it. Ma'aseh, something happened. Uva'u banav, mi beit hamishta. Ba, like bow, to come. Who came? Banav, the sons. Banim, a ben is a son. Banav is his sons, referring to the sons of Rabban Gamliel. Mi beit hamishta. Beit, like bayit. Bayit means house. Mishteh means drinking. It means they were at a wedding, a house of celebration. Amru lo, they said to him, lo, to him, meaning Rabban Gamliel. Lo karinu. What's karinu? Like similar to korin. Kara, we have not read. Lo karinu, we have not read. What have we not read? Et Shema. We have not said the Shema yet. Let's get some of these words down first. Ma'aseh. Ma'aseh is a happening or occurrence. Ba'u, like bow, to come, they came. Banav, from the word ben, which is a son. Banim would be sons. Banav are his sons. Banav. Beit hamishte, a wedding, a celebration. So again, ma'aseh, a happening. What happened? Ba'u banav, his sons came. Whose sons came? Rabban Gamliel's sons. Mi beit hamishte, from the wedding. Amru lo, and they said to him, Amar, to say, lo to him, lo, we have not, karinu, read, et Shema, we have not read the Shema. How does Rabban Gamliel respond? Amar lahem, Amar, to say, lahem, to them, he said to them, im lo, im lo, im means if. So if not what? Allah amud hashachar, if it is not yet dawn. Chayavin, chayav. What does chayav mean? Chayavin means obligated. So what is he saying to his sons? Chayavin atem, you are obligated. Likrot, we've had this word already. Kara, to read. Likrot, period. Rabban Gamliel told his sons, if it is not yet Amud Hashachar, Imlo Allah Amud Hashachar, since it is not yet dawn, Chayavin Atem, you are obligated, Likrot, you are obligated to read. To read what? To read the Shema. We will stop here for today. I hope you enjoyed your lesson.